crypto Bitcoin currency. We're back on XRP price action. Interacting with these key levels, we have this potent phase of consolidation, accumulation, and consolidation again. We have price action sideways interacting with these key levels here. $1.09 in my opinion is still resistance, which is yet to be confirmed as support. That is going to be considered as resistance at the moment. We also have potential support for us at $1.03, the 0.5 Fibba Linguini line acting as support as well. The 200 daily moving average is present. Currently price action above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. Further interaction and bullish retests and bounces off of this 200 daily moving average would further suggest buy pressure present and the continuation of the uptrend. At the moment, we're still in this phase of consolidation, interacting with support, looking for bullish areas of accumulation and buy pressure at every turn. If we consider these current robo advisors in play, these are the same robo advisors we had in our previous analysis, and a mild oversight led me to believe that we had bullish robo advisors present. Technically, the only bullish robo advisor present at the moment would be this buy 4. Technically, we do have this hell and sell 2 present. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bearish on price action. We need 2 of those chosen 3 robo advisors to be bullish to comfortably expect continued upside. And so with EngineeringRobo currently technically bearish on price action ever since this sell 2 returning on the 27th of October, we the most bullish area of accumulation might not have presented itself just yet here for us. I'm still bullish on continued upside overall. I do believe we are in an uptrend. However, in the immediate short term, we may experience continued interaction with support before the uptrend can continue. So as I mentioned, I'm looking for a confirmation of $1.09 as support. Daily candles opening and closing above that key level would confirm that as a potential bullish area of accumulation. Once support has been found, we are making our way to my immediate short-term target of $1.55 per XRP, currently correlating with the 0.786 Fibba Lamborghini line. So we just have resistance overhead there for us, waiting at $1.55. I'm watching out for $1.25, the 0.618 Fibba Illuminati level, waiting for us to give us a hard time potentially as I make our way upward. However, my target is still $1.55 per XRP. We're in this phase of sideways here. You're still interacting with $1.09, looking for continued buy pressure off of $1.03, the 0.5 Fib level. I'm also looking for potential interactions with this 200 daily moving average. The more bounces we can have off of it, the more bullish we can be on the uptrend in the long term. We also have the most bullish area of accumulation waiting for us all the way down at 94 cents per XRP, which is a level we may interact with before the uptrend can continue. So I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. I am now waiting for EngineeringRobo to return to a bullish state on XRP. Currently, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bearish on price action, which does suggest continued sideways accumulation or interactions with support may be necessary. As I mentioned, we're above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend and buy pressure present. We're just looking for areas of support. Wait for these confirmations and breakouts. Let me know your thought on the direction of XRP moving forward. What are you doing with prices at current levels? We're waiting for robo advisors to become back on bullish again. I mean, we've already seen well over 100% in gains on XRP ever since this bullish area of accumulation near 64 cents. Over the following 41 days, we experienced up to 119% in gains, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors did become bearish on price action on the 7th of September, allowing you to capitalize on 75% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as we can see, when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish, we did experience up to 23% in immediate short-term downside over those following kind of couple weeks there before support was found. We have these buy signals returning in the middle of August. However, this abrupt change in momentum has set this phase of sideways and accumulation into a perhaps more prolonged state. I do believe the uptrend is still intact overall in my personal opinion. However, as I mentioned, we're always looking for these technical confirmations and robo advisors. Let me know down below where you think XRP will go now. KMD against USDT, Komodo coin price action interacting with these key levels. We're looking at some bearish robo advisors present at the moment, in addition to price action below the 200 daily moving average, suggesting sell pressure overall. So price action in this phase of sideways accumulation and consolidation occurring. We're waiting for confirmations of support. We do have a key level to consider. $1 or 99 cents, if you will, $1 perhaps, is a key level of support here. We need to further confirm as a bullish area of accumulation near current levels. We do have a more significant area of support waiting for us all the way down at 85 cents per KMD. That is the most bullish area of accumulation, which we may interact with before the uptrend can continue. However, watch out for support at $1. Once support has been confirmed, we have that bullish interaction with 85 cents all the way back at the end of September, beginning of October there. Once support has been found off of that key level, my immediate short-term target is still going to be $1.35 per KMD. I do believe that is going to be just the overhead resistance for us moving forward that we will have to break and confirm as support. We have an upper target here of $2.12 per KMD. That is a target I do believe we are interacting with in the coming future as well, once support has been found, and perhaps once we see these bullish robo advisors return. Currently, factors in play are contributing to sell pressure overhead, and perhaps continued sideways or consolidation may be necessary. We look at our previous buy signals. We have the buy 4 on the 1st of August, golden cross on the 2nd of August as we interact above support. After that bullish area of accumulation presented itself, we experienced up to 89% in gains over the following 35 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into almost $19,000 just by sitting around smelling at it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you still were able to capitalize on 28% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And once we see these sell signals come into play, we have actually experienced up to 26% in immediate short-term downside as we made our way toward my support line. Currently, still more than 5% down since those sell signals came back into play. At the moment, we are looking at one of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action. We are waiting for a second robo advisor to come into play to comfortably consider an area of accumulation and anticipate upside. I do believe right now we're continuing to look for support. We're looking for confirmations of these key levels. I'm watching out for resistance overhead. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing with KMD at current levels. Now, the basic attention token BAT against US dollar tether. What do we have here? Some very bullish upside ever since this phase of sideways consolidation and accumulation throughout October. We have the buy 4 and bull signal coming into play near the beginning of October here. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors were bullish on price action. Briefly, this bear signal did come into play on the 15th. However, the bull did return just a couple days later. We even also now have the moon signal returning on the 29th of October. Before this very bullish upside price action plowing to and through key levels. Now looking for further confirmations of those key levels here. So we do have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors currently bullish on price action, prices above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting we may be entering an uptrend here. I am now looking for further confirmations of these key levels. I'm looking for perhaps continued resistance at $1.11. I'm looking for a break upward and confirmation of that key level as support to use it as a bullish area of accumulation. Continued resistance overhead may send us all the way down to my support line waiting for us at 81 cents per BAT. Price action interacting with these key levels. I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. We're very bullish on this continued upside here. We've had some very vertical movement in a very short amount of time, so I do believe perhaps some sideways may be necessary. However, look for key areas of support and resistance present. Watching out for $1.11 as resistance. Once that is confirmed as support, I do believe the next resistance level overhead is $1.37 in my opinion. That is going to be another level that we will have to just break through and conquer. Support waiting for us all the way down at 81 cents. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with basic attention token at current levels. We're looking at Ethereum price action interacting with these key levels. We have continued resistance overhead. $4,377 per Ethereum is continued sell pressure and resistance overhead here for us. We're also looking out for continued support and buy pressure off of $4,200 per Ethereum. That is going to be support for us. So far, we've had this very aggressive sideways price action consolidating and accumulating between these key levels. I do believe the buy pressure is very much in play, and there is a lot of demand for Ethereum at current levels. It's very hard to be bearish on price action at current levels. I do believe we have had a very bullish amount of upside in a rather short amount of time. If we consider, price action coming from support back at the end of September near, 29.85, we are now currently interacting, with price action above $4,000 per Ethereum. So we've had some very bullish upside in a short amount of time. Any sort of sideways or consolidation that we experience in the immediate short term is going to be very bullish for the uptrend overall. We're well above that 200 daily moving average, suggesting we are very much in an uptrend. We're just looking for further confirmations of support and breaks of resistance. Watch out for buy pressure at that $4,200 level. A more bullish area of accumulation is present all the way down at $3,933 per Ethereum. Watch for these retests. Watch for the breakouts. Let me know where you think Ethereum will go. I am still anticipating a $6,000 Ethereum sooner than later. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency price action very similar to Ethereum. We're locked in this phase of sideways consolidation and accumulation, support and resistance present. We do have, continued resistance overhead waiting for us. $64,691 per Bitcoin is going to be the key level we need to break and perhaps confirm as support. I mean, we may just, vertically break through it and continue to the, six-figure range here. Price action still in this phase of sideways. That sell 2 did show up on the 27th of October when price action made that abrupt move downward here. Perhaps expect another opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin near, near $58,800 per Bitcoin. That is going to be support here for us still. We may experience another bullish interaction off of that level before the uptrend can continue. It's very hard to be bearish on price action. I still very much suspect a six-figure Bitcoin is approaching. Let me know your thoughts on price action down in the comment section below. Let me know what coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.